In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the aspect ratio in Higgsfield AI videos. This process is essential for ensuring that your videos display correctly across various platforms and devices. To begin, navigate to the Higgsfield AI website. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the interface for the AI video generator, which allows you to create stunning videos effortlessly. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create Video. This action will direct you to the video creation section where you can upload your media. After clicking, wait a moment for the new screen to load, which will present options for uploading images or generating videos. After that, click on the option that says Upload Image or Generate It. This will open a file selection dialog box on your device. Here you can choose the image or video you wish to use for your project. Make sure your file is appropriate for the video you are creating, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you have selected your desired file, click on the Open button in the dialog box. This action will initiate the upload process. Be aware that if your file size is substantial, it may take some time to complete the upload depending on your connection speed. Now look for and click on the Prompt section. This area allows you to enter specific instructions or descriptions for your video. After clicking, a text input field will appear where you can type your prompt that will guide the AI in generating the video content. Next, type your prompt into the designated input area. Ensure that your instructions are clear and concise, as this will influence the quality and relevance of the generated video. After entering your prompt, confirm that it is accurately stated before continuing. Now click on the model option. This selection will present you with different model choices that can affect how your video is generated. Take a moment to review these options and choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the desired model, click on Grow Command. This step will prepare the system for generating your video based on the prompt and model you've chosen. Wait for the system to process this command, which may take a few moments. Next, find and click on the aspect ratio option. This action will open a menu where you can select the desired aspect ratio for your video. Different aspect ratios are suited for various platforms, so choose one that aligns with your intended use. Once the aspect ratio menu appears, click on the Auto option. This setting will automatically adjust the aspect ratio based on your video dimensions, helping to optimize the display for viewers. Finally, click on the Generate button. This action will initiate the video creation process. You may see a loading indicator as the system works to generate your video based on the parameters you have set. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your video is ready for review. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.